everyone, and welcome back to a new video. Today you join me at my local nature reserve. It is a calm day, there's not much breeze, and the sun is the only thing that's up in the sky right now. There's not a cloud in the sky. Upon entering, I've already seen a few of the common species of bird, the grey-lag goose. There's been little flocks of long-tailed tit, a friendly robin, and the black-headed gulls are out on the pontoons. I've heard calls of reed warbler, there's been chiff-chaff, and I think there was a distant drum of a woodpecker just now. As we reach the peak of summer, there's so many insects around in the wild meadow. There's damselflies, mating, pairing up, and there's plenty of grasshoppers to be heard, hidden within the grass. There's nothing I'm really looking in particular for today. It's been a long time since I've been here, quite a few months now. And with the weather being like it is, I thought it'd be a great opportunity to see what other species I can find within the woodland areas of this reserve. As the day began to get warmer, I headed into the woodland for a bit of respite from the blazing sun above. I followed a green woodpecker into the woodland, and as I made my way through to the other side, I came across something that I have never seen before. A dead tree in the middle of the wood was home to over a dozen butterflies, and they all seemed to be hanging out on this one dead tree, sunbathing, ready to get warm to venture out around the wood and to find flowers to feed on. From what I saw, I could see red admirals and commas, and it was just fascinating to see them all congregating on this one tree. I was in so much awe of this spectacle that I stayed with the tree for around 40 minutes. And upon looking closer, I actually noticed some of the butterflies were feeding on some sort of residue coming from the tree itself. Once I was finished with the butterfly tree, I walked back along the riverbank and back towards the car park where I watched a little grebe hunting in the small lake. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you again, and I shall see you all again very soon.